learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
聽眾朋友大家好，我係 Leo 阿平哥。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin. And today, Leo's here to maybe bring us another new dish for the new year. 新年快乐！我们下个月还可以在一个农历新年快乐，对，多棒啊！新的一年来教一道新的菜，教大家怎么煮。
哦，好啊，这道菜哈，就是用到的那个材料比较传统一点。
OK，
就是一个名字里面跟冬有关系。
你要说冬瓜是不是？
当然了，就会冬瓜。
就像人家都有北瓜、南瓜、西瓜、冬瓜，
没有北瓜吧？
对啊，
你乱讲。
Oh, that's the winter melon or white gourd, as we call it. Using that as the base, we're going to cook up a Hakka dish right here. 所以跟冬瓜有关的什么菜呢？
好，这个叫姜冬瓜肉饼。
姜冬瓜肉饼，冬瓜我们刚刚教了 ，that's the winter melon. 姜要把它怎么了？
就是客家人最厉害的一招，就是用腌制的方式就叫姜啊，用卤
姜就是腌制的意思，对，腌制出来。Okay, so it's a marinated winter melon along with 什么肉饼？
肉饼就是肉饼，
肉饼。Oh, okay. This I'm familiar. It's actually a meat patty. So it's the winter melon meat patty. 这是有肉饼也有冬瓜，感觉有蔬菜也有肉，还不错的一个这个 balance
对啊，
那是用什么方式煮呢？是不是大家教一下那样子？
好，那我们就要先准备姜冬瓜哈，然后把它切成小块，然后那个姜冬瓜要跟告肉就是绞肉
，OK，
然后再加把它拌匀之后呢，再加点酱油啊、调油啊，还有蒜末来调味一下。这搅好的、拌好的绞肉嘞，就要用到天锅底部。电锅就是天锅。
天锅 ，OK，using a rice cooker 去蒸就对了。
对，用蒸的。
All right, it looks like it's very straightforward to prepare this dish. Basically, you buy your marinated winter melon at your local Hakka supermarket. Buy some meat, of course, to make that meat patty. Grind it up a little bit. Add all the spices that are necessary, mentioned by Leo. Steam it in a rice cooker, and voila, you got your steamed winter melon meat patty. 听起来很棒，而且电锅就可以煮出来了。
对啊，
我想要赶快回去试试看。但是 Leo 再跟我们讲怎么说这道菜呢？
好，姜冬瓜肉饼。
姜冬瓜肉饼。Check it out on Google if you need more on the recipe. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.